The whole weekend of content is gonna be ruined.
It's not gonna be ruined. First of all, it's weather sealed, low key, so I'm not really worried about it getting wet. But I'm not gonna dunk it though. All right, guys. See you guys later on in the video. Let me tell y'all one thing about Puerto Rico is it's gonna rain. It's definitely gonna rain. This is like the beginning of like all the trips that I'm gonna be taking. Like this is like the first one that's gonna launch this whole travel channel thing that I'm doing. Hopefully this is the first of many, and if you guys like these, please, you know, leave a comment, subscribe, share the videos. If you're planning to go to Puerto Rico and you want someone to see what it's like to be in Puerto Rico, I'm trying to give you guys like the best experiences that I can, you know. We are here.
Just got to the forest.
Yes, in the Yunque Rainforest. Actually, it's Yunque. Yunque.
It's
the only tropical rainforest in the entire U.S. Forest Service park system. We have this year.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile.
Where are those leaves at? We need to check the leaves.
They're around. And Niña La Niña is something that happens every certain time. So it's something that happens in the north and the south. Look at how long the bamboo can grow.
Yeah, super long.
By the rain.
They do.
This bridge they made about 4 years ago because the old one, the heritage, all water by here. Yeah, they learned the hard way.
It's a strong one.
Yeah. Feel like Tarzan right now.
That's the Puerto Rican piranha. They only attack people who born in Germany. If you're not born in Germany, you're okay. I'm not born in Germany. You're good, you're good. I don't know who
It's getting
I know, I get it.
No.
Yeah. It feels good once.
It feels good. It's the initial shock.
Yeah, I know.
You got 10 more minutes.
You got
If you decide to.
Yeah.
Why is the peer pressure happening right
10
now?
minutes, Corey. What are you gonna do?
No pressure.
Did you get in it?
I touched it a little bit. I didn't get all the way in now.
Yeah, okay.
Once you get in it, it's good. And actually, right now it feels warm.
Really? I'm just saying, gotta be out here, you know what I'm saying, enjoying nature, enjoying life, you know what I'm saying, living life. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe on the video. If you guys learned anything, if you enjoyed watching the video, I took a little drone out, let you guys see where I'm at. I'm trying to get you guys to see what it's like to get out there and travel, man. Something wrong with traveling. Go live life, for sure. This water feels great. At first I was a little scared to get in though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna front and try to be like I'm big swole. But yeah, make sure you guys come out, have a good time. Huh? All right, here you go.
Okay.
Oh man, I feel refreshed right now, I'm not gonna lie.
This is cool, right? What's the name of it?
I forgot.
It's a trumpet.
A trumpet tree. But it's called Jagumo. See, because it's this way, it's white on this side. It's double sided. So if somebody ever call you a Jagumo, you're two-faced.
You see the mountain, they have like a house on the top?
Yeah.
That's the lighthouse from Fajardo. That's where people going to do the byway kayaking in Fajardo. That's the spot. Far away from
I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile.
Oh wow.
Bittersweet moment though. Definitely wish I could have had somebody here with me, a specific person, but life goes on. That's what you live life for, people. That's what you live life for sure.
Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up.
You trying to turn up tonight?
We can.
Let's let me know.
If you don't get tired.
Oh, don't do me like that.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
Fun fact about me, I love jacuzzis, and I didn't even know this hotel had a jacuzzi before I booked it, but I'm super glad to have found it.
Still got a lot of those art people hitting me back about their artwork I saw in the airport in Fort Lauderdale.
There's actually some pretty dope artwork here in the hotel. You made me think about hitting them up too, because when you get off the elevator, there's like a big picture right by the elevator in that little foyer, and it has like someone's like information there to contact them.
I didn't even